My one great poem, Grasshopper. Grasshopper are so natural. They are the colorful wings insect. Moves on the wet, foggy grasses. So natural insects flutter on the foggy grasses. They are the part of nature. Looks different, beauty colorful. Natural insects flutter on the grasses. Wet, foggy. They are mixed in this nature. Dry or wet. Gases. So nature insect. Conversations. Hi Pooja, why are you not meeting with me? I was waiting for you. I thought that I meetings with you, but I called from my elder brother that my mother is my mother was very sick and she was admitted into the hospital. So I could not arrive at your home. Please sorry. Other conversations. Hi Pooja, how are you? I am not well. I am very sick. Why are you sick? I understand to follow you that you are very sick, but what is your disease? Have you sufferings? I am suffering for the fevers. How many days have you sufferings? I am suffering for the 5 days. Why are you not visit to the doctors? I thought that I would be recover. Take the medicines from the shop. I suggested to you, please you have an appointment and shall go to the doctors and don't late. Yes, I shall go to the doctors. Other conversations. Hi baby, why are you weeping? I am weeping because I have lost my new costly toy. Where are you keeping? I have not remembered. I was finding it. Not caring, I shall bought to the new toy. Okay, mom, thank you. Hi, mom, can I help to you? Yes, you can to help me. What would be my work? Please you clean the dishes. What then? The next work. Please you organize your bookshelves. How did you enjoy in the book fairs with your friends? I was very enjoyed with my friends and in the long gatherings, and the books are organized in the stalls. I and my friends have bought varieties different books, and I was very enjoyed with my friends. Hi mom, what are you doing? I am digging a hole. Why are you digging a hole? I am digging a hole for plant the tree. What is the tree? It is the apple tree. Why are you plant the apple tree? It is my hobby. I like the apple tree. But how do it carefully? I and you carefully eat powered waters and chemicals and soil. Okay, but how does it grow up? It grow up at first at slowly.